Hi children, colors name in English. Red, it's red colors. Green, it's green colors. Blue, it's blue colors. Black, it's black color. Pink, it's pink colors. Yellow, it's yellow colors. Violet, it's violet colors. White, it's white colors. Brown, it's brown colors. Orange, it's orange colors. Purple, it's purple colors. Gray, it's gray colors. Thank you for watching. మరిన్ని ఇలాంటి వీడియోల కోసం లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.